In this video we're going to see how the Flipper Zero behave when it's reading my debit card. So here we go. I'm running like the NFC application. I'm going to read the card. I'm going to put it a bit over, I think 1-2 centimeters. It's working as well. Usually for the test it's not, but yeah, it was too far maybe. Okay, so here you could see like the type of the card. Then I will run the compatible card, so it will run my information on the card. Okay, so you see it is a debit Maestro card as it's defined here. And now I will run the app. Okay, here you have my information. Obviously I have it blurred. Now I want to see something. So just before like the video, like I tried to read the data from the card a bit over it. So I have tested like several times. It works basically over like 2 centimeters. So I have here now a wallet that is like supposed to block RFID. I never tried it out so far. So it's approx 2 centimeters width. So you see, I could like put my my card, several card. I will put it on the side here. Okay. So it's on that side. Let's run the application again. See if it's being blocked or not. Okay, so we could see it is doing its work. Now, if I have it here. Okay, you see. So it's fully working. Thank you for watching.